Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and happy. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, first chapter, that is nature, purpose, and scope of business. That is from OC. First of all, let us discuss one thing, that what do you mean by transaction? Students, you know very well that transaction will be having economic transaction and non-economic transaction. That you know very well. But what is the actual meaning of transaction? Transaction means something is going to be exchanged. That is good. Exchange of goods and services. That is also very good. Okay. But suppose if the goods or services are being exchanged in exchange of goods and services, then it is called as barter system. That we already known that particular concept. But what if the transaction involves the money? That means if the goods or services are being exchanged in exchange of money or money's worth, that is called as economic transaction. And if the transaction does not include, that means if the exchange of goods or services are not getting anything in return, that means the exchange is not including any money or monetary terms, that is called as your non-economic transaction, or you may say that is your non-financial transaction. आपने ये अकाउंट्स में पढ़ा होगा, इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन, नॉन इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन. So the same concept that is going to be applied here as economic activity and non-economic activity. So let us understand first of all that what do you mean, or what is the main aim or object of economic activity. Let's see. This is your economic activity. Now tell me one thing, that what do you mean by economic activity? Okay, you know it very well. Economic activity means what? Any activity which are being carried out with the objective of economic benefit or any kind of monetary consideration. That means what? Any kind of activity done by any of the persons, whenever it has been done with the expectation to get something in return in form of money, that is called as economic activity. All over the world, everywhere, okay, each and every person is doing their activity. Each and every person, they are manufacturing, they are producing something, they are giving something to the other person, whosoever is called as customer. That means the person whosoever is needing, that is having need of that particular thing, then such thing are going to be sold out. So, what is the expectation of those person who are manufacturing such things? They are having expectation to get something in return by selling that product. That is called as economic activity. That means by selling such goods, whenever whatever the amount which has been received by a person is called as economic activity. So, with the object to get something in return, to earn income, is called as economic activity. Here, students, you know, a porter, a blacksmith, a weaver, workers, number of workers, thousands of workers, lakhs of workers, they are working in the factories, they are working in offices, okay? That means why they are working, okay? To get something in return, to satisfy their needs. Originally, as if due to increase in demand, due to development of their lifestyle, what we require, that means each and every person requires money for the development of their particular life. They required money, and for the development of their life they required to work. As if by working in any of the factories or any of the organizations, they are getting something in return in form of salary. That is what? That is called as expectation to get something in return, which is in monetary terms, which is called as salary. That's why this is called as workers working in the factory. That is called as economic activity. You might be having question that what about farmers? Okay, what farmers are doing? They are growing grains. Okay, and by having grains, by selling grains into the open market, they are getting something in return in a form of monetary terms. That's why their main aim is to satisfy others. Porter's main aim is to satisfy others. Weaver's main aim is to satisfy others. How? By producing cloth, by giving to the customers. They are satisfying needs of others, and in return, whenever any amount will be received by these persons, whenever any amount which will be received by these persons, they themselves satisfy their needs, and because of that only, they are getting something money. They are getting money in return. That's why this is called as economic activity. So the second point is what? They are satisfying their needs. They are about to satisfy the needs of others, to live strong, to live good life, okay? To get monetary returns, they are doing such kind of activities, and these all kind of activities are called as productive activity. So friends, any amount which has been received by any activity, that is called as economic activity. For the development of the nation, economic activity is must. How? That we will discuss little bit later. We are having three types of economic activity. That is business, profession, and employment. What about employment? Means a worker working in the factory or office. They are receiving the amount in form of salary. That is called as employment. Profession. What is the meaning of profession? Any amount of fees which has been received by any of the person who is providing services to the general public, okay, in form of, suppose may be possible, a doctor providing services to their patients. They are giving medicines to their patients, and in return they are charging fees. That means what? The fees, whenever it is being charged by the person, those things are called as profession. The person whosoever is doing that activity is called as profession. A lawyer is charging fees from their client. Okay, that is called as profession. Now the main point is what? Business. The main motive of the business is to get something in return in a form of profit. Might be possible they may suffer loss, but the main motive of doing business, that is what? That is to receive the amount as a part of profit. That is called as economic activity. Okay, so friends, this is the concept of economic activity. Any activity which are being carried through to receive certain amount monetary return, okay, that is the main objective of economic activity, and that's why the amount which has been received, the exchange which can be taken place in exchange of money or money's consideration, that is called as economic activity. Now students, let us understand, as if this is economic activity, now let us understand non-economic activity. There should not be having any kind of objective regarding economic benefit or economic return. This is the main aim of non-economic activity. That is what the main aim of non-economic activity is: social services. The services provided by any of the person to the members of the society or the nation. Any service provided by the person without having aim to get something in return, just only to serve. बस मुझे serve करना है. I should have to serve the society. I should have to serve the members of the society. Okay, I should have to serve the nation. कैसे? Okay, which would be considered as social worker. Okay, suppose any of the cleanliness work which has been carried out by the number of persons or a group of a person in slums area. What is that? That is your social service. Social services to the society. Volunteer for community. आपको लगेगा कि what is this volunteer for community? That means voluntarily work which has been carried by the person for their particular community. आपने शायद देखा होगा कि इन केस अगर गुरुद्वारा में ओके सपोज संडे को आप विजिट करते हो तो वहां पे लंगर होता है. Okay, so number of persons are giving their service to service. Okay, for that particular voluntarily. Okay, वहां पे जितने भी लोग आते हैं वहां पे खाना परोसने के लिए और खाना बनाने के लिए such kind of services which are being provided by those persons without having any kind of expectation to get in return. उनकी कोई ऐसी एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती है कि मुझे वहां से कुछ मिले. एनी काइंड ऑफ मेडिकल सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडेड बाय एनी डॉक्टर्स इन पर्टिकुलर सपोज सम स्लम्स एरिया और सपोज इन बैकवर्ड एरिया, व्हेनेवर दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग सच काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज इन अ फ्री ऑफ चार्ज, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज वॉलंटरीली सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड बाय दोज पर्संस. They do not have any kind of aim to get something in return. That is called as social service. And these social services which doesn't have any kind of exchange of money or monetary consideration, that is called as non-economic activity. Suppose मान लिया जाए any kind of natural calamities occurs, earthquake, tsunami, flood, okay, और उस दौरान any of the person, कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे relief camps लगते हैं and so many number of persons are going there to serve those kind of suffered peoples. So the thing is that these kind of services provided without the aim of money, without the expectation to get something in return, just only मुझे serve करना है, social service provide करनी है, and because of that only such kind of activity is called as non-economic activity. What is the motivation behind this? The motivational factor is what? That to serve the society, to serve the people, to serve the nation. And that gives a feeling. That means what? That gives a change in the life. That gives a main proud to that particular proud for the country. And they are serving for the nation. And that's why these kind of services which are being provided without the aim of monetary return, that is called as non-economic activity. So students, we have discussed economic activity and non-economic activity. May be possible in examination, you may ask the difference between economic and non-economic activity. बहुत सिंपल है. Okay, हमने जो चीज अभी देखी, whatever which we have discussed, the same thing that is going to be applied for your difference. देखिए, फिर भी हमारे पास पॉइंट्स रेडी है. ओके, सिंपल वे में हमें इसको एक्सप्लेन करना है. एट द सेम टाइम वी शुड हैव टू राइट इन अ सिंपल मैनर. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? फर्स्ट डिफरेंस, दैट इज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. Economic activity means what? We required economic benefit. In which form? Money. How to satisfy themselves. How to satisfy others. By satisfying others' need, by having exchange of goods and services, okay, any of the business unit, they are going to get profit. That means what? Such amount has been received by those things, that is in a form of monetary return. That means this is called as economic benefit. Economic activity में economic benefit मिलता है, economic return मिलता है. That is the main aim of economic activity. Okay. So now the point for non-economic activity. What is the object? Okay. Nothing, no object. Okay. Some persons in society performs their activity without the objective of monetary consideration or economic gain. They are just only providing services to the society. Okay, the objective of non-economic activity is neither monetary return nor economic gain. कोई object जो है वो monetary return का नहीं है. My main object is to just only serve the people, serve the society, serve the nation. That is called as social service. Okay, अभी हमने जो बात की वही expectation means क्या मुझे कुछ मिलेगा? Definitely मिलेगा in economic activity. ओके, क्या मुझे कुछ मिलेगा? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा इन नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. सही बात है. ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि देखिए, हमारे पास ओरिजिनली टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, वी आर हैविंग 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, दैट इज बिजनेस, प्रोफेशन एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. फ्रॉम बिजनेस द एक्सपेक्टेशन इज टू गेट प्रॉफिट. From profession, the expectation is going to get fees. And from employment, the person whosoever is serving, आपके घर में भी आपके father, आपके parents जो है वो service पे जाते हैं. Suppose why? Because to have a certain kind of monetary return. Your parents having expectation to get something in return to satisfy his needs, to satisfy your people, you all your needs, okay, and your demands. For the upliftment of any family, this kind of return is necessary, and because of that only, any kind of employment that will be having expectation to get a salary. Now, the service to the society or nation. What is the expectation in non-economic activity? No expectation, just only to serve the society, to serve the nation. Okay, चलिए. Next thing, that is your type. हमने already discuss कर लिया. That is business, profession and employment. This is the main type of economic activity. And what about non-economic activity? No type. कोई टाइप नहीं है. नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी में कोई टाइप नहीं है. नो बिजनेस, नो प्रोफेशन, नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट, नो अमाउंट गोइंग टू बी रिसीव्ड बैक. ओके, नो मॉनेटरी रिटर्न, नथिंग एल्स, जस्ट ओनली सर्व टू द सोसाइटी. ओके, जहां कहीं कोई भी नेचुरल कैलेमिटी हुई, ईच एंड एवरी ग्रुप ऑफ पर्संस आर गोइंग टू देयर, ओके, एंड दे आर सर्विंग टू द नेशन, टू द सोसाइटी. ओके, कोई टाइप नहीं है. Whereas now the point is risk and uncertainty. It remains. Risk remains in business. Risk remains in profession. Risk remain in employment. You might be having question, कि sir, how risk will be there in employment? सैलरी वाले को तो सैलरी मिलेगी, डेफिनेटली मिलेगी, क्योंकि हाउ, व्हाई इट इज अनसर्टेन. Okay, the question itself is there that is it possible that the person whosoever is serving where that is in a form of salaried person, okay, they will be having risk or uncertainty? Definitely students. बच्चों, ओरिजिनली अभी की बात करो, ओके, किसी ने सोचा था कि सच सिचुएशन में अराइज? नहीं. ओके, करंट सिचुएशन जो अभी चल रही है, उस सिचुएशन में हमने किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आएगी. तो अब जाके हम पहले से बात करते हैं फॉर बिजनेस. माइट बी पॉसिबल दैट बिजनेस ओनर हैव प्रोड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, ओके, एंड विद द एक्सपेक्टेशन टू सेल आउट इनटू द ओपन मार्केट एंड टू गेट समथिंग इन रिटर्न इन फ्यूचर. क्या हुआ? फेब्रुवरी ऑनवर्ड से सब कुछ धीरे धीरे बंद हो गया. मार्च से लॉकडाउन आ गया, एंड माइट बी पॉसिबल द बिजनेस ओनर मे हैव प्रोड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, ओके, एंड दैट प्रोडक्शन दैट इज स्टिल in his godown, and might be possible there should be having wastage also. That is risk. That is uncertain. Future is uncertain. Business itself involves risk and uncertainty, and that's why, because of certain kind of situation, in certain kind of situation, okay, business owner may have to suffer loss. That's why for risk, business owner should always have to ready about it. अब बारी आती है प्रोफेशन. ओके, कहां किसी की कोई, आप सपोज अगर मान लिया जाए कि डॉक्टर्स इनिशियल स्टेज में जितने भी डॉक्टर्स, प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिशनर्स जो है, उन लोगों के जो डॉक्टर की यानी उनकी क्लिनिक जो है, वो सब लोगों ने ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाउन सबके क्लिनिक जो है वो बंद करवा दिए थे. None of the doctors they had visited or opened their clinic in such duration. This was uncertain, and because of that they have suffered a lot in this duration. Okay, so such kind of risk is there. और वही सेम सिचुएशन, ओके, एम्प्लॉयमेंट. आपको लगेगा कि हाउ इट कम्स टू इन सैलरी. Okay, that means what? Salary persons who are serving in factories or offices. Okay, and because of this lockdown, so many organizations they have converted such in a half day manner or alternative days. Okay, कई लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं, आपको अभी आना ही नहीं है, 1 महीने से बंद. Okay, कई लोगों ने कहा, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने ऐसा कहा कि ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे आना है, एंड एज इफ The same pattern, as if you are coming on an alternate basis, as if you have not come to offices, okay, for full month, and because of that only we are deducting your salary. We are not about to pay you salary for this month, as if that was a lockdown and we have not produced anything, and we doesn't have any kind of services to be produced, okay, and that's why the workers, they had not received salary for 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months. This is what? This is the risk. कई लोग जो है वो अपने अपने देश, आपने न्यूज देखा होगा, ओके, तो न्यूज में क्या था, कई लोग जो है वो दे हैव बीन माइग्रेटेड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अनदर प्लेस ड्यू टू अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, ओके, ड्यू टू आपकी ऑफिस और सैलरी काम जो है वो नहीं था, और उसकी वजह से जो है वो अपने देश में जो है वो माइग्रेट हो गए, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे वर हैविंग प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फाइनेंस, दे वर हैविंग प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मनी. सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज रिस्क. Employment also involves risk, and it always remain in economic activity. What about risk and uncertainty in non-economic activity? आप खुद सोच सकते हो, is there any risk factor or uncertainty in service provider? Okay, is there any kind of risk or uncertainty for social service? Okay, कहीं नहीं. हमें यानी those groups who serve or who have desire to serve to the society or to the members of the society, okay, they doesn't have any kind of risk. Okay, uncertainty doesn't affect to those kind of social workers. Okay, what they have to do, they are just only going there, they are just only visiting to those places wherever they need it, okay, and then they are providing their services for the welfare of the society, and that is why it is not include or it doesn't involve any kind of risk or uncertainty. Is that clear, students? बच्चों समझ में आया? Okay, I hope you have understood properly. The next session, that is regarding the characteristics of business. Initially just go through it, read this economic activity and non-economic activity and difference, okay. Wherever you find any problem, just comment it or message me, feel free. So students, in the next session we will learn about business. That means that is a type of economic activity, and the characteristics, objectives of business, that will be studied in next session. So right now go through whatever we have done and just read it, so it will be clear in the next session and you won't be having any kind of doubt or problem. Thank you very much, my dear students, for visiting my channel and watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for my latest videos and further notifications. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay happy.